Once your lizard is wrapped completely in the papier-mache, he's ready to dry. This is going to take about a day or two, depending on how well ventilated the area is. You want to make sure that he's on a surface where he can dry from all sides. If not, we're going to turn him over halfway through that drying period. Oh, he's already coming apart there. If he does, we can always push it back together, but we want to make sure that he gets an opportunity to dry from all angles. So a good place to dry him would be like in a sunny window, near a heating vent. Also, you could put him on a rack. We want to make sure that we're not putting him on a material that he could stick to, like other newspaper or also a table, things like that. The papier-mache is a sticky medium, and it's going to stick to whatever it's sitting on, so we want to make sure that he's on something like wax paper or foil or like a wire rack that's going to let him dry from the bottom and also from the top. Sunny window is the best place.